Hi, my name is Joel from Ecler, and we are here at ISE 26 to present our new amplifier series called DARA, an amplifier with DSP, a really complete DSP. Here, this is the main section where you can see the input signal and also the outputs. You can also have a matrix where you can redirect the sources, different sources. You can direct them to different outputs, and also it can be used as a mixer, mixing the different input signals. In the output section, we have a variety of information regarding the outputs. You can choose between FIR filters, also equalization, delay, polarity, limiters, and auto standby per channel. If you go to the equalization section, you can really choose how you can equalize every input and every output of the amplifier, and you can also choose between a lot of different Ecler presets, depending on what speakers are you using. Another interesting function is the panels. You can create different users and assign them different panels with different controls, and this can be used with a pulso. As we can see here, choose for example this panel, and you can have control over the different inputs or outputs that you can choose, creating a new control here. You can also choose if you want to the physical knobs, if you want to act them on the inputs or over the outputs. And also you can use this GPI section to control, for example, the input or the outputs with a TOCAS panel. Finally, you have a preset section where you can customize your amplifier, export them, import to another amplifier, or do whatever you want to with the different adjustments, speakers, presets. And yeah, that will be the DARA series amplifier with DSP.